Everyone has friends. Everyone has friends. Of course I have friends too, but I think my friends is more special than others. Let me introduce my most special friend. His name is Sungmin. He is 13 years old, just like me. Usually he likes playing soccer, badminton, and ping pong. But he is a little bit fat. However, Hongmin is a hard worker. Like, he has many positive things, but he has negative things too. He gets angry while playing games. For example, when he loses, he gets angry too much. He gets angry too much, and he is a little bit strange. He suddenly laugh while drink or eat. He sometimes chokes on food or water because he is a little bit flaws. I can see more positive things. He is funny. I feel sad. He tells funny story. Because of me, I can forgot about bad memories. So I'm very proud of him. This was introduction of my extra friend Songmin. Thank you for listening.